Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a galaxy themed resin charm, well actually two of them, and these are from a kit that was used at my craft store for a workshop I believe, and I guess these were leftovers and they were on sale so I grabbed one, and I'm using one of my own bezels because it only came with one, and as you can see mine's a little bit too big, so I thought I would solve this problem by coloring the bezel with a marker. Now, you're going to see in a second the color doesn't perfectly match, but I think it's better than nothing, and I also think that if I had used paint, it may have matched a little bit better, but anyway, it works. So, these are pretty simple charms, I would say. I think it was like, a beginner's class or something maybe, I don't know, but either way, I really liked how the charms looked, the finished product they had on display, so I thought I would try to make them myself, and here I'm going to use the glitters that came with it, and even though it's simple, I found that if you make multiple layers with resin, that you get a lot of depth and dimension. Is that the same thing? But yeah, so I'm going to be layering some glitter, some stars, and I think it turns out really good in the end. So here's the first one, and you're going to see the second one after this, and I will see you at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like how the little text kind of pulled everything together. And that is all for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye!